Nuakhai is a Sambalpuri festival that is widely celebrated in western Orissa. Nuakhai, the traditional harvest festival of the state, is a festival for the worship of food grain. It holds immense cultural and agricultural significance and usually falls in the month of August. People celebrate it by eating the first rice of the harvest together with their family. Sweet dishes like Arisa, Kakra, Manda, Chakli, Mugbara and Khiri are prepared. Namaste and welcome to Discovering Together. Today let's have a look at how Arisa Pitha is prepared in this festival. I'm Farheen. I'll catch you next Wednesday and we shall continue discovering together.